The human body is a complex and fascinating machine. It requires a sophisticated control system to function correctly. This is where the nervous system comes in. The nervous system is like the body's internal communication network. It's responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. Without it, we couldn't survive. The nervous system has two main parts, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. These two systems work together seamlessly. They allow us to interact with the world around us. In essence, the nervous system is the ultimate command center of our being. The nervous system is always active, even when we're asleep. It constantly processes information and coordinates bodily functions. This ensures our survival and well-being. It is a testament to the power and elegance of biological evolution. At the heart of the central nervous system lies the brain. This incredibly complex organ is the control center for all our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's responsible for everything from breathing and heartbeat to learning and memory. The brain is what makes us who we are. The brain is divided into different regions, each with specific functions. For example, the cerebrum is responsible for higher-level thinking, such as language, reasoning, and decision-making. The cerebellum coordinates movement and balance. The brainstem controls vital functions like breathing and heart rate. The brain is constantly receiving information from the senses. It processes this information and sends out signals to the rest of the body. These signals control our muscles, organs, and glands. The brain is a powerful and adaptable organ. It can learn and change throughout our lives. Connecting the brain to the rest of the body is the spinal cord. This long, delicate structure runs down the back, protected by the vertebrae. The spinal cord acts like a highway for nerve impulses, carrying messages between the brain and the body. Sensory information from the body travels up the spinal cord to the brain. The brain then processes this information and sends out motor commands back down the spinal cord. These commands tell our muscles to move. This constant communication between the brain and the body allows us to interact with our environment. The spinal cord also plays a vital role in reflexes. Reflexes are automatic responses to stimuli. They help protect us from harm. For example, if you touch a hot stove, a reflex arc in your spinal cord causes you to quickly withdraw your hand. This happens before your brain even has time to register pain. Extending from the central nervous system is the peripheral nervous system. This network of nerves reaches every corner of the body. It carries messages between the central nervous system and the muscles, organs, and glands. The peripheral nervous system is like the body's communication network. The peripheral nervous system is divided into two main parts, the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements. These are the movements we consciously control, like walking, talking, and writing. The autonomic nervous system controls involuntary functions. These are the functions we don't consciously think about, like breathing, heart rate, and digestion. The autonomic nervous system is further divided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. These systems work together to maintain homeostasis. This is the body's internal balance. Section 5. Nerves, the body's electrical wiring. The nervous system communicates through a complex network of nerves. Nerves are like electrical wires. They carry messages throughout the body in the form of electrical impulses. These impulses travel incredibly fast, allowing for rapid communication. Nerves are made up of specialized cells called neurons. Neurons have a unique structure that allows them to transmit electrical signals. They have a cell body, dendrites, and an axon. Dendrites receive signals from other neurons. The axon transmits signals to other neurons, muscles, or glands. The connection between two neurons is called a synapse. At the synapse, electrical signals are converted into chemical signals. These signals then bind to receptors on the next neuron, triggering a new electrical signal. This process of electrical and chemical signaling allows for complex communication throughout the nervous system. Section 6. Sensory input, experiencing the world around us. The nervous system allows us to experience the world around us through our senses. Specialized sensory receptors detect stimuli from the environment. These stimuli could be light, sound, touch, taste, or smell. These receptors then convert these stimuli into electrical signals. These signals travel along sensory nerves to the brain. The brain interprets these signals, allowing us to perceive the world around us. Our senses provide us with a wealth of information about our environment. This information is essential for our survival. For example, our eyes detect light and send signals to the brain. This allows us to see. Our ears detect sound waves and send signals to the brain, allowing us to hear. Our skin contains receptors that detect touch, pressure, temperature, and pain. This allows us to feel. Section 7. Motor output, moving and acting. The nervous system is also responsible for our ability to move and act. Motor neurons carry signals from the brain and spinal cord to muscles. These signals tell our muscles to contract, allowing us to move. Our movements can be voluntary or involuntary. Voluntary movements are under conscious control. These movements are controlled by the somatic nervous system. Involuntary movements such as breathing and heartbeat are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. The nervous system allows us to interact with our environment in countless ways. We can use our bodies to walk, run, jump, dance, and play sports. We can use our hands to write, paint, and play musical instruments. Our movements are complex and coordinated. This is a testament to the sophistication of the nervous system. Section 8. Reflexes, our body's automatic protectors. Reflexes are rapid, involuntary responses to stimuli. They are essential for our survival, as they help protect us from harm. Reflexes bypass the brain, allowing for extremely fast reactions. The simplest type of reflex involves only a sensory neuron, a motor neuron, and a synapse in the spinal cord. This is called a monosynaptic reflex. A common example is the knee-jerk reflex. More complex reflexes involve interneurons in the spinal cord. Interneurons connect sensory and motor neurons. This allows for more complex responses. For example, if you step on a sharp object, a reflex arc in your spinal cord causes you to quickly withdraw your foot. At the same time, signals are sent to your brain, allowing you to feel pain and learn from the experience. Section 9. The nervous system and everyday life. The nervous system is involved in every aspect of our lives. From the moment we wake up to the moment we fall asleep, our nervous system is constantly at work. It controls our thoughts, emotions, movements, and bodily functions. When we wake up in the morning, our nervous system sends signals to increase our heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. This prepares us for the day ahead. Throughout the day, our nervous system allows us to interact with our environment, learn new things, and experience a range of emotions. Our nervous system even plays a role in our sleep. During sleep, our brain waves slow down and our muscles relax. This allows our bodies to rest and repair themselves. The nervous system is essential for our physical and mental well-being. Section 10. The importance of a healthy nervous system. A healthy nervous system is crucial for overall health and well-being. When the nervous system is functioning properly, we are able to think clearly, move freely, and experience the world to the fullest. However, a number of factors can damage the nervous system. These include injury, disease, and exposure to toxins. Damage to the nervous system can lead to a wide range of problems. These can include paralysis, blindness, deafness, loss of sensation, and problems with memory and thinking. In some cases, damage to the nervous system can be life-threatening. There are a number of things we can do to keep our nervous system healthy. These include eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and avoiding alcohol and drugs. By taking care of our nervous system, we can help ensure a long and healthy life. Section 11. Appreciating the complexity within. The human nervous system is a marvel of biological engineering. It is a testament to the power of evolution. This intricate network of nerves and cells allows us to think, feel, move, and experience the world around us. Understanding the nervous system allows us to appreciate the complexity and wonder of our own bodies. From the simple act of raising a hand to the complex process of learning a new language, the nervous system is involved in every aspect of our being. By understanding how the nervous system works, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. The nervous system is a gift. It is a gift that allows us to live, love, and learn. Take a moment to appreciate the intricate network of nerves that allows you to experience the world around you. It is a true marvel of nature.